the right arm. So we turn the back of the hand to the left and open. Notice if the pelvis wants to come along for the ride, and see if we can keep it facing forward. Soften in the knees. We should still be able to roll the pelvis. We're not blocking anything. So the pelvis can still move. I like to shorten where my hands are on this one just a little bit. Push. And we're finding this beautiful conversation now with the band, creating that tensioning effect. So you press into the ball to lift the heel up. And I like having the tension of the band. It feels more stabilizing. So you can tension the band, push into the ball, lift up. Push into the ball, lift up. Push into the ball to lift. And really allow us to get feedback on where our breath is. So notice if most of your breath is in the front of the body, or if it's on one side of the rib cage. And let's see if we can bring the breath to all areas where the tension of the band is on the ribs and the body.